So right now I'm going to an R&B party. You know what I mean? I got the off-white on. Look at this thing. This shirt is nice. Yeah. Anyways. Oh, the camera. I don't even have a tripod. Anyways. Show you. Pants, they're H&M. $20. It's nice though. It's cargo. And we got the LV on the feet. This is LV's most comfortable shoes ever. But as always, you just need to have a side bag. Because you don't want to carry nothing, like, you know? You just need a side bag. It's just a must. It's one of those things. So. Anyways, I'll be back. Like, why is it so dark over here? What the hell? These people don't see it's nighttime to turn the lights on? That's crazy. Got my Uber right over there. You know what I mean? So right now I'm heading to Kingston Jerk. I'm gonna go try their food. I don't know, never been there. Let's go see how it is. And then I'm gonna go to the day party after. You can tell them? Of course. So right now I'm at Kingston Jerk. Let's go try this. So I'm gonna try the food here, see how it is. It's the first thing that popped up on Google when I typed in for food, you know?
You see everything else, you see corruption, but you don't see a simple little thing like that. I'll tell you, see where sense of the
So we got jerk chicken, we got festival, we got bami, and we got fried plantain. Honestly, the food is good. I give it a 10 out of 10, honestly. And I got to meet the owner, but I couldn't do anything. Like, I wanted to do some more filming, but I got to go to this R&B event, so check it out. Kingston Jerk is good. That's the next thing. I want to come back to Jamaica and do car content. The car community down here is so crazy. Jeez. So there's like a big traffic hold up. Now we gotta walk to where we're going.
One problem, I remember when we visit them with pure big stuff. Somebody, everybody, see that part Me, I heard a shepherd.
So I'm grabbing some chicken from this lady. They're not even ready.
They are.
They are? Okay. I told her to give me a discount and she said she'll give me a discount. So I have to leave her with a tip. So how long you been doing this?
Doing this for a couple of months now.
Couple months?
Yeah, and it has been going on well.
Okay. So what made you start get into it?
For the sake of my kids.
For your kids? Okay, yeah. That's good. That's good. So what's this area called so people know?
This is Red Hills Road Drug Center.
Red Hills Road Drug Center? Okay. That's good. So we're at Red Hill Road Drug. Yo, I'm hot. Outside is hot. When you guys come down here, you guys know where to come. So I'm on my way to Carnival right now. I went to Carnival, I was at a gym, and I'm like, I'm gonna go to Carnival later. And then I got stuck for 1 hour because all the roads are blocked off. But that was the morning Carnival. So now I'm gonna go to the afternoon Carnival. Fun fact, it's raining right now. And that's just not it for me. Because I wanna fly my drone. So let's see how this plays out. Because I gotta walk, okay? I gotta walk. Actually, disappointed when I see the carnival because I'm like, why does it look so boring? I'm gonna put some snaps and show you guys. Like, why is it raining right now? But one thing I love about this condo, it's like an open concept. Like, that's so cool. And like, you know, yeah. You guys see this rain? Like, it's pouring right now. We got on the Air Forces. We got some Nike shorts, a regular T-shirt. That's about it. Yo, I think the way this is set up, I didn't even think my Uber driver can even get over here. I gotta walk somewhere. But like I said, all the roads are blocked off. Shit. Campari stand. So they have a whole bunch of stands around different parts of downtown Kingston. And the roads are blocked off from down there, so all the way up there. Honestly, from this morning, I've been kind of disappointed with Carnival because I'm expected to be something, but it's not even like that.